In this video, I want to show you how to add a broken stroke around a circle or around any rectangular shape in Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing is you create any shape you want. So first of all, I will use circle. So I'll draw a very nice circle and then give it a color. Automatically it has taken this color, so let's maintain this color. So what you do is you duplicate this circle into two by holding Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard. So I hold Ctrl Command J on my keyboard. I will transform the duplicated circle a bit, just transform it, and then drag it beneath the first layer, that's the ellipse one, and then let's turn the fill off to 0. Now go to properties panel. At the properties panel, what you are going to do is you move straight to this particular shape here, that's the stroke type. So you click on this shape and then you give it a white color. So at the white color, what we're basically going to do is we'll increase the size of the stroke. You could see that it's at 1, so you click and drag it upwards to maybe 4, and then you go to the shape style and then let's set it to this particular broken stroke. So we can choose the middle one or the last one, but let's choose the middle one. So you click on the middle one and then there we have our broken stroke. You can reduce the size to maybe 3, so you can just type 3, hit on enter, and then you then hide it. You can increase the size of the circle to see what you have. So you can reduce the inner circle to see the actual broken stroke you have created, and then this is the broken stroke. It's very simple. This is how you can easily add a broken stroke to any shape, not only circle. So let's create a rectangular shape and see how we can add a broken stroke to that particular rectangular shape. So you go to rectangle, pick your rectangle, draw a very simple rectangle. You can give it any color you want. Okay, let's give it color white, and then with the color white, just duplicate this particular layer into 2 by holding Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard. Transform the upper rectangle a bit, mark it out or press enter. Take the fill to 0, go to adjustment layer or the layer style panel rather, or let's go to properties panel. At the properties panel, what we are basically going to do is you give the stroke a color. So you click on this particular field, let's give the color of yellow. At the color yellow, what you are basically going to do is you increase the size of the stroke a bit from 1, so we'll give it maybe 3 point something or 2 point something. So let's give it 3. So at the 3, let's change the stroke style to maybe the last particular one. At the ellipse, we pick the middle one, so let's choose the last one. So you maintain this particular stroke, but you can increase the size from 3 to 4 to make it more visible. Click on enter, and then let's zoom in to see the stroke. So this is broken stroke. This is how you can easily create a broken stroke around any shape in Adobe Photoshop. It's simple as that. I hope you've really learned something. If you want to learn more about how to create shapes, how to design professionally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me to the end of this video. Have a nice day.